Today we're making a natural body wash. It's perfect for those of you with sensitive skin. You need 1.5 cups of Castile soap, 2 tablespoons of melted shea butter, and 2 tablespoons of melted coconut oil. Combine all the ingredients, including your 20 drops of peppermint oil and 20 drops of eucalyptus oil, and then mix thoroughly. As you're mixing, it will turn into sort of a creamy color. That's normal as your oils start to cool to the same temperature as the Castile soap. Now we're ready to put it into our container. I like to use an old soap container. Just clean it out and add your new body wash mix. We like to reduce, reuse, and recycle. And that's it, all finished.